Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you another way to do the segmental roll. Imagine, if you will, that you had a partner, somebody that could just pull you over to help you roll. It would feel just good because they're pulling traction on your muscles and your body is you're able to relax and just be pulled over. You're loosey-goosey and everything just feels wonderful. And if you have such a partner that would love to do that for you every day, you are just doing awesome. But if you don't have that partner, what if you could imagine that you had something that would pull you over for you? Like, say, a cable attached to your wrist or your ankles. So this takes some imagination, but if you can imagine this just right, it's as if somebody's pulling you over. So imagine that a cable just pulls your wrist up and it's pulling it to the ceiling, and then it just starts to pull. Woo! That felt good. Just imagine that you're being pulled over by a cable, and then it's just pulling you back, pulling you back, pulling you back. Oh my goodness. It is as if somebody's pulling you. Everything opens up. So again, it's just pulling you right here, and it's just pulling, and you can pull from different angles, and every angle makes a difference. But it's just pulling you, pulling you, pulling you. And your body just goes along for the ride. You can even, and this is kind of cool, imagine that it pulls you that way, right there. So it's got my wrist, and it's pulling me up, pulling me up, pulling me up, pulling me up, pulling me up. Oh, that's such a different roll. Completely, you've got to try this. Can you let my arm go, thanks. And you just come back down. So again, it's like, pulls you up, and then you just come back down. Again, you can also do this with your ankles. So the cable's got my ankle, and it's pulling me across, and it's just lifting, and pulls me over. That felt pretty awesome. I'm glad I could share this with you. And then it pulls your foot back. It's got your ankle, and it's just pulling, whew, and pulling. You gotta, use your imagination and be careful with the angles that your cable pulls. Make sure it's a gentle pull, because you can end up in some wide open positions here. Anyway, that's it, guys. You just imagine that there's a cable attached to your ankles or your wrist, and again, you can pull. I can have it pull up there. It's pulling me, it's pulling me, it's pulling me. And you just try to get pulled along for the ride. That's pretty much it. This is a great way to play, to roll, to really open up your fascia, stretch your fascia, to really learn your roll and to mobilize your body. Piece by piece by piece, vertebrae by vertebrae. It just feels amazing. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. Only 198 more rolls to go. Some of you know what I'm talking about. If you don't worry about it. We're gonna keep rolling here at Original Strength YouTube channel. All right, guys, thanks so much. I'm Tim, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.